Welcome to all. Today's lecture topic Nature of Software and Characteristic of Software in chapter Introduction to Software Engineering. First is Nature of Software. Nature of software means software built developer. The software is user friendly. Anyone user is easily understand. The software some error bugs occur. This developer change or this is available. This code is open source. That means nature of software. Developers started making the software open source. What open source means is that source of code program which is developed by the person is provided to all the customers and organization. So in case of any problem or error occur, the person with knowledge can contribute to the software by resolving it. Also, when customer feels the need to add some more features to the software or comes up with the new idea for enhancing the existing software, then he is free to do so. This is the nature of software. That means in the early decades when computer technology were in emerging phase, only the development team, authorized persons and the company member had the source code of the software. Due to this, in case of any bug failure and error occur, customer or user had to approach these people for resolving the error. These maintain the confidential of the source code, but main problem of this was that users were many but people who were authorized to access the source code for the software were only few. So due to this, it is impossible to meet demands and requirements each person. That means nature of software developers started making the software is open source. This is the nature of software. In this point, nature of software, developer develop software first of all is user friendly. Then this code is open source. Any user some error occur, failure occur, or problem occur, this is resolved. This time this software is open source. Next point is characteristics of software. Which characteristics follow the software? First is software does not wear out. That means software does not wear out. Next is software is not manufacturer. Second characteristic is software is not manufacturer. Third, usability of software. Fourth is reusability of components. Fifth, flexibility of software. Sixth, maintainability of software. 7, portability of software and reliability of software. Last, one by one explain. First is software does not wear out. Software does not wear out. For example, different things like clothes, shoes do wear out after some time. Some clothes use 1 year, 6 months, 1 month. This after this is a not does not wear out. This is raw things. But software once created, one time software is created, never wear out. Software is never wear out. It can be used for as long as needed, and in case of need for any updating, required changes can be made in same software and then it can be used further with updated features. Software is one time developed, it is not wear out. This software some changes, then this software is updated version. That means first software is created 1.0 version. Some changes occur 1.1, 1.2. After long time the software use, some changes features add the software. That means software does not wear out. Next feature, characteristics. Software is not manufacturer. Next is software is not manufacturer. Software is not manufacturer but is developed. Software not manufacturer but it developed. Use any programming language. It is built. Software is built up. So it does not require any raw material for its development. In software development, not required raw material for in physical raw material, but logic is mandatory in software development. That means software is not manufacturer, software is development. Next characteristics, third number, usability of software. Usability of software is simplicity of software in terms of user easier the software is to use for user, the more is usability of software as more number of people will now be able to use. Also due to easy will use it more willingly. That means it refer to extent which software can be used with easy and simple. Usability, that means user friendly develop the software. Any unknown user or any user easily handle and interest to use this software. This is the usability of software. That means simplicity. Usability of software, simplicity of software in terms of user. Simple way user interface, not complicated. This time user is easily used. This is the usability of software. Next characteristics, reusability. Reusability of component. As the software never wear out. First characteristic, software does not wear out. That means software never wear out, neither do its component, code segment. So if any particular segment of code is required in some other software, we can reuse the existing code from the software in which it is already present. This is reduce our work and also save the time and money. Reusability of component, that means one software is built that means one software is developed and another one software developed. Previous software, some logic, some programming code is used in next software. This time previous software code is reused in second software, not developed again. This time reduce our work, also save time and money. That means reusability of component. Some task using next another software in previous developed software. This is the reusability of components. Fifth characteristics, flexibility of software. Flexibility of software. Software is flexible. What this means is that we can make necessary changes in our software in the future according to the need of that time, then can use the same software then also. Flexibility of software means build the software, customer is use some problem and some advanced features use customer requirements. This time not build the new software, already designed software is changes occur. This time software is flexible, easy to change the software. This characteristics is flexibility of software. 6 is maintainability of software. Maintenance of software, that means every software is maintainable. This means that if any error or bug appear in the software, then they can be fixed. Software must evolve to meet changing needs. Some changing needs, some bug occur, error occur. This time maintenance phase repeat again and again in software stage. Sixth characteristics, portability of software. Portability means Portability of software means we can transfer our software from one platform to another. That do with AG. Due to this, sharing of software among developer and other member can be done flexibly. For example, Windows platform software is running. This software is transferred to Linux platform. This time is easily sharing of software to developer and member to flexible. Easily to sharing this software in another platform. This is the portability of software. That means it refers to the easy with which software developer can transfer software from one platform to another without changes. That means software developed Windows platform. This is built in Linux platform, easily flexible. This is a portability of software. Next is reliability of software. This is the ability of software to provide the desired functionality under every condition. This means that our software should work properly in each condition. This is the reliability. It refers to ability of software to provide desired functionality under the given condition. This is the reliability of software. Ability of software provide desired functionality under every condition. This means that software should work properly work in each condition. Not any error, not issues occur in reliability. This is the characteristics of software. In a software design, these 8 characteristics in mind important. See again. First is nature of software. Nature of software means software is developed user friendly and provide the open source code of software is provided. This is the nature of software. First characteristic, software does not wear out. Software does not wear out means software not passes after some time. Some changes occur and versions are created software. This is software. Software does not wear out. Next, software is not manufacturer. Software is not manufacturer. That means software is developed using programming logic, not manufacturer. Manufacturing stage, raw material, then develop the some product. In software stage, no any raw material, only programming logic is needed. Third characteristics, usability of software. That means any program code previously defined in another software build, this time this code use next project. This is the usability of software. Usability of software means any user easily understand, easily use the software. This is the usability of software. And reusability means previously built software, some logic part used in another software. This is the reusability of component. Fifth is the flexibility of software. That means flexible, anyway, any condition user understand. This is understand some changes occur this software occur this time customer requirement fulfill in flexibility of software. Maintainability of software. That means software must evolve to meet changing some needs. This time maintenance stage again and again perform. This is characteristics of software. 7 is portability of software. That means it refers to easy with which software developer can transfer software from one platform to another platform without any changes. This is the portability of software. 8 number last, reliability of software. That means it refers to the ability of software provide desired functionality under the given condition. This is the reliability of software. These are the characteristics of software. See here, software does not wear out. Software is not manufacturer. Usability of software. reusability, flexibility of software, maintainability of software, then 7 portability of software, and last is reliability of software.